Signs that you may be vitamin D deficient. Number 1, darker skin. Polik explains that if you have darker skin, you may need as much as 10 times more sun exposure to get the same amount of vitamin D as an individual with pale skin. He adds that your skin pigment acts as a natural sunscreen, so the more pigment you have, the more time you need to spend in the sun. Many people don't know that people who have dark skin are more at risk for developing a vitamin D deficiency. This is because melanin, which helps prevent certain skin cancers like melanoma, can actually reduce the skin's ability to provide vitamin D when responding to sunlight exposure. People who have darker skin have more melanin, allowing less sun exposure to enter the skin. This means that less vitamin D is produced in the body. In fact, older adults with dark skin are known to be at a higher risk of developing a vitamin D deficiency. Number 2, you have the blues. According to a study published in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry, one of the signs of vitamin D deficiency is having a low mood. To prove this theory, researchers studied 80 elderly patients, and they found that those who had the lowest vitamin D levels were 11 times more likely to be depressed than those who had healthy levels of vitamin D. In fact, there are many different psychological changes that happen as a result of vitamin D deficiency. Scientists state that main symptoms associated with SAD, seasonal affective disorder, are a result of changing levels of vitamin D. Seasonal affective disorder is a mood disorder which results in symptoms of depression during the winter months when there's less sunshine. This occurs as a result of sudden drops in levels of vitamin D in a person's body. Changing levels of vitamin D in the brain can affect serotonin levels, affecting a person's mood. Low levels of serotonin are linked to depression. This is because serotonin is a chemical and a neurotransmitter in our bodies that helps regulate our moods, sleep, social behavior, appetite, and more. If you notice that you become increasingly sad,